Wall and cavity foam with Widespray applicator from DEP is a one-component solution that broadcasts sprays like two-component foam while air sealing and insulating, but in an easy-to-use aerosol can. When using, always wear gloves and eye protection. Protect surfaces and ensure there is appropriate ventilation. For optimal performance, make sure temperatures and relative humidity meet these recommendations. In low humidity environments, mist the surface with water prior to spraying to improve adhesion. Before applying, shake can vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds. Attach applicator to can. Rotate the applicator to adjust for horizontal or vertical spraying. To apply, turn can upside down and hold 12 inches from surface. Spray evenly, rapidly, and continuously. Do not apply layers more than 1/2 inch. Allow 15 minutes for expansion. Do not overspray. For air sealing and thermal insulation purposes, one layer is sufficient, such as sealing and then adding bad insulation. The foam expands up to 3 times, so a 1/2 inch layer of foam expands to 1.5 inch. Cure time will take longer for thicker applications, colder temperatures, and/or lower humidity. When finished spraying, unscrew applicator and clean out any excess uncured foam with DEP foam cleaner. Wall and cavity foam with Widespray applicator from DEP.